What's up, guys? Got another one for you here. Pretty easy one. This is actually cleaning your mass airflow sensor. It can be pretty much done by anybody on your own car. Here's how we do it. Most of the time your check engine light's going to come on, and you can go to any of your neighborhood auto parts stores and get them to scan it for free. It's going to come up and basically say it's a mass airflow sensor issue. First, locate your mass airflow sensor. On this one, it's back there. So we take the covers off. And there she is. In many cases, you can actually take the whole housing out. And inside is your mass airflow sensor. You want to use the mass airflow sensor cleaner and spray as best you can all over the sensor to clean it off. As you're putting it back together, make sure that the back clip and the actual seal is seated right. Hook up your hoses, and don't forget your small hose here at the front. And then start her up, see if you got a check engine light. Alright, she's all done. No code showing. Been driving this thing for about 50 miles and she's all good. Alright guys, that concludes this video on the cleaning of a mass airflow sensor. This college friend of mine, his daughter is now in college, and she was super happy to get her Mercedes-Benz back, to go back to college without a check engine light. If you like this video and if it was helpful for you, your friends, or your family, make sure and smash that like button and consider subscribing. You guys have a great day and have fun while you're fixing your own stuff. See you later.